Today's topic was providing an exceptional experience for your clients. And Lucy knocked it out of the ballpark today. Her enthusiasm and passion for real estate really came through. Also, her gift for engaging our minds with what we needed to have far beyond what we learned today is really what hit home with me. C21 Birchwood, thank you for an amazing morning.
Very informative and right on cue.
It was energizing, informative, and I think with the sharing of the information in the room that everybody got something that they could take with them to make their business more successful. So I thought it was very worthwhile.
Hi everyone, this is Jackie from Century 21 Birchwood, and this is Greg.
Hey everybody, how you doing this morning?
Greg, I was just wanted to ask you, what did you think about the training this morning?
This morning's training was absolutely phenomenal. It was empowering, it was enlightening, a lot of great information, good statistics to go out there and use and get those listings.
There it is.
Listings last.
There it is from Century 21 Birchwood. We're out. Hey, this is Jackie from Century 21 Birchwood again, and I just wanted to ask Miss Natalie what she thought about the training today.
It was super empowering. I love listening to Lucy. We were actually learning about the anatomy of a seller.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Yeah, it was very informational. A lot of information thrown out, but
Alright.
yeah, it was great. It was a great training.
Thank you. There you go ahead. You heard it.
This are amazing, guys. There's so much information that you can't get anywhere else. There's so much insight about new things, about social media, about how to get your buyers, listings, all this information that is amazing. I really value it.